In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js on Windows 10 or 11. So first open up your browser and head over to nodejs.org. Now once inside at the top, click on download. So here of course in this drop-down menu, make sure that you choose the latest version, but you can also opt for the LTS version. Next is scroll down and click on the Windows Installer button. Now once downloaded, open it up and here just follow all the on-screen prompts in this setup wizard. Then click on the install button. And once done, click on the finish button and this time open up CMD. So click on the start menu and simply type in CMD. And here, simply type in this code node, then space, dash V, then press enter. And if you see the same version number with the version you downloaded on the site, that means that you have successfully installed Node.js on your Windows PC. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!